What if your spreadsheet can tell you at a glance exactly who is hitting target and who is not? In this tutorial, I'll show you how to build dynamic traffic lights in Excel using XLOOKUP and in-cell pictures. No VBA, no macros, just a clean formula technique that updates automatically when your data changes. I am Nabil Murad. If you are ready to take your dashboard from numbers to visuals, let's get into it. We have some sales data for 10 different cities in row number 5, and we have a target in cell B3. We want to know how far or how close we are from the target. So I calculated a percentage from target in row number 6. And then to visualize this percentage, I represented the percentage by traffic lights. Red if the percentage is less than 50, green if the percentage is above 80, and yellow if it's anything in between. And if the sales amount change, then everything updates automatically, including the from target percentage and the traffic lights themselves. Let's build this project from ground up in Excel. I start by calculating the percentage from target, and to do that, I select the range from B6 to K6. I type an equal sign. I select the sales amount in the cell above, and I divide it by the target. I lock it, F4, and then I hit Control Enter. Now to visualize this percentage, I need to prepare. So I have a helper table that shows the different brackets for the percentage. From 0 to 50, that should be a red traffic light. From 50 to 80, that should be yellow. And above 80, that should be green. I want to bring the picture of the traffic light first. Then I select the 3 cells from B16 to B18. And I want to insert a picture in cell. On the Insert tab, I click on Picture, Place in Cell, this device. I select the 3 traffic lights, and there I hit Insert. To be able to use this list in an XLOOKUP function, I'm going to name the 2 ranges. So I select the entire list, including the column header. I hit the shortcut Ctrl-Shift-F3, create names from selection, and there I hit OK. I would have created 2 names, image and %. Now let's create our function. This is an XLOOKUP function. I type equal XLOOKUP. What's your lookup value? I'll be selecting from B6 to K6, all the percentages, and then I type a comma. What's your lookup array? That will be the % column. So I type %. I hit tab. I then type a comma. What's your return array? It will be the named range image. So I start typing image. I hit tab, I type a comma. If not found, I'm going to skip it. And for the match mode, I'll be using -1. I close the bracket, and then I hit enter, and here are the traffic lights. Let me unhide some rows before testing. Ctrl-Shift-9 to unhide. And now let's test. Whenever the sales amount changes, then the % from target will change as well. And accordingly, the traffic lights will reflect that change dynamically. I do have some conditional formatting. I'm going to write the rule in the description below the video for the percentage to reflect the same color like the traffic light, and it is triggered by checking this box. Now let's check one more time. Everything looks nice, and we finished creating the project. And that's how one formula turns a table of numbers into a dashboard that speaks for itself. Now, this is just one of hundreds of examples we cover in our corporate training sessions, where we focus on polishing your reports and saving time by automating tasks using the full power of Excel. If your team could use that kind of training, reach out to the OfficeInstructor.com. And if you enjoyed this tutorial, make sure you subscribe so you never miss the next one. See you in the next video.